Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm April Salsa and I will be your dance teacher for today. I will be showing you your 3 basic salsa steps. What you need to know if you are barely getting started on your salsa dancing journey. We're gonna start from the very beginning. All right, let's go. First basic step is a forward and back movement. Let me show you what that looks like and then we will break it down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. All right, let's take it from the back. Okay, we are starting with our left foot and we're gonna go forward on that left. We're going 1. Notice that my right heel is up. And the reason that it's up is because I'm fully transferring my weight to my left. I'm stepping 1. Fully step on your left. Now your right is gonna step in place. 2, my weight goes back on my right, and I bring in my left for 3. Let's try it this way. I want you to think of the middle as your home base. We're always coming back to home base. So we're starting with that left, and remember our weight is somewhat forward, and we're gonna step with the left. Going 1, in place, together. Good, let's try that again. We're going left, right, left. Every time we step, fully transferring that weight. Here we go. Stepping left, right, left. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward, together. Forward, together. Let's try that again. Just that half a basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Forward, in place, together. Forward, in place, together. Great job. Now we're gonna incorporate the right foot. So what our right foot does, once we come back to the middle, we're gonna do the same thing, but the right foot is gonna step back, and I'm fully stepping on the right. Now my left is gonna step in place, and we come right back to the middle, back to home base. We're gonna try that again from our right foot, going back. Step, step, together. Again, 5, 6, 7. Back, step, together. Back, in place, together. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Good. Now we are going to combine both of those steps, and that is what you call one basic. One basic is when you step forward to the left, and then you step back with the right. That is called one basic step. Let me show you. We're gonna take it from the top, starting with that left foot going forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Back with the right. 5, 6, 7. Good. That is a basic step, and let's try that a few times. 5, 6, 7, and forward, in place, together. Back with the right. Back, in place, together. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. Amazing job. If you need to pause this and practice for a little bit, go ahead and do that now. All right, it is time for our second basic step. And the cool thing about the second basic is you're gonna start to see a lot of similarities as far as we are always coming back to home base. Remember, the middle is our home base. So we just did our first basic and we went forward, home base in the middle, back, home base in the middle. Now with the side basic, let me demonstrate what that looks like. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. So we are doing a shuffle to the side and coming back to home base. Shuffle to the side, coming back to home base. All right, let's take it from the back. We are starting again with the left foot, and we're gonna go to our left, stepping left, my weight goes left, step in place with the right, come back to home base. Let's try that again. Side, step, together. Side, step, together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Every time we are stepping, we're still transferring our weight. I'm not tapping and bringing it back. No tapping. We are gonna fully put our weight on our left, fully put your weight on your right, and transfer your weight to your left, because we need to free up the right foot so that it can do the side basic and come back to home base. So we're going step, step, step. Left, right, left. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's try the right side. Stepping to the right, we're going 5, 6, 7. I'm stepping right, left, right. Again, right, left, right. Right, left, right. And 5, 6, 7. And 5, 6, 7. And bum, bum, bum. And bum, bum, bum. Great. Let's put that together. This is our side basic. So we're going to start to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. We're going step, step, step. Step, step, step. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Good. We're going to try it a few more times. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Yes, great job. Okay, great job. We are gonna move on to our third basic step, and this is also what we call our cumbia step. You're getting a 2-for-1. You learn this step for salsa, but we use it in cumbia as well. I'm gonna demo what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's get started. So with our cumbia basic, we are starting again with that left foot. And what we're doing is a rock step. A rock step means that as we go back, our weight is shifting back and forward. So it's like you're rocking back and forth. I'll do it this way. So it's like you're rocking back and forth. Back and forth, just like a rocking chair. The left, instead of going straight back, we are gonna open up. And as we open up, we're stepping, shifting that weight. The right is gonna step in place, and we come back to home base, come back to that middle. So again, we're going step, step, step. Left, right, left. Open and close. Open up and close. Open up and close. Nice and slow. We're going 1, 2, 3. Step, step in place, together. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Good. We're going to do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to step back, and we're going to open up. We're going back, in place, together. stepping right, in place, together. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and back together. Open up, together. Open up, together. Nice and slow. Step, step, step. And step, step, step. And step, step, step. And step, step, step. Awesome job. Let's put all of that together for a full cumbia step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Great job, everybody. Okay, now we're gonna put all 3 basic steps together. Here we go. We're gonna take it from the top, nice and slow. We have our forward basic, side basic, and cumbia basic for 3. We're gonna start with the forward, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna do 2 of each. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 2 side basics. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2 cumbia basics. We're going to open up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good job. We're gonna try that again, but a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Side basic, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Cumbia basic, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Okay, great job, everybody. Remember to practice and that we start from the ground up. So don't worry about styling or your hands or anything like that. Right now, all we are working on is the basic step. So practice our 3 basic salsa steps and practice it to a very slow song, a medium tempo song, and then eventually to a faster salsa song. All right, I hope you enjoyed these videos, and if it was helpful to you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and share it with a friend who is also starting their salsa journey as well. All right, see you for the next one.